How to buy troll far token. So this token came under the symbol of TART. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in also crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on about this token, check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the explainer. It created 8 hours ago and it creates by 2000% in less than 4 hours. And as you can see, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and now open your funds wallet for that. So now as you can see, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. And now click here, paste the token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this also can click on it. And now you can type here how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy TART token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.